Are you trying to lose weight? Are you feeling frustrated, angry, or upset after several failed attempts to keep your weight off? I understand what it feels. Here is why you should incorporate walking in your weight loss regime. Walking is a great form of physical activity that's free, low risk, and accessible to most people. It's one of the easiest forms of exercise to incorporate into your day-to-day life. This video explores how walking more often can help you lose weight and belly fat. Walking is free and low risk. 1. Walking burns calories. People who are more physically active burn more calories. Walking a mile, 1.6 kilometers, burns approximately 100 calories. To increase the intensity of your walk and burn even more calories, try walking on routes with hills or slight inclines. The more calories you burn, the less you need to eat to lose weight. Walking can reduce your risk of health problems such as weight gain and obesity. 2. Walking reduces belly fat. People on a calorie-controlled diet who walked for 1 hour 5 times per week for 12 weeks lost an extra 1.5 inches, 3.7 centimeters, off their waistlines and 1.3% more body fat. Men with a waist circumference greater than 40 inches, 102 centimeters, have abdominal obesity, which is considered a health risk. People who walk for 50 to 70 minutes 3 times a week for a month reduced their waist circumference by 1.1 inches, 2.8 centimeters. It helps preserve lean muscle when you lose weight. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat. This means it helps you burn more calories each day. It can reduce age-related muscle loss, helping you retain more of your muscle strength and function. It reduces the drop in metabolic rate that often occurs with weight loss. 3. Preserve lean muscle when you lose weight. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat. This means it helps you burn more calories each day. It can reduce age-related muscle loss, helping you retain more of your muscle strength and function. It reduces the drop in metabolic rate that often occurs with weight loss. 4. Boosts immune function. Those who walked at least 20 minutes a day, at least 5 days a week, had 43% fewer sick days than those who exercised once a week or less. If they did get sick, it was for a shorter duration and symptoms were milder. 5. Walking help you keep weight off. Regular exercise plays an important role in helping you maintain weight loss. To maintain a stable weight, you should walk at least 150 minutes per week. Incorporating more walking into your day can help you increase the amount of exercise you do and contribute towards your daily activity goals. In fact, studies have found that people who exercise the most are usually the most successful at maintaining their weight loss, whereas people who exercise the least are likely to regain the weight. 6. It boosts the mood. Exercise is known to boost your mood. Physical activity has been shown to improve your mood and decrease feelings of stress, depression, and anxiety. Some studies have found that if you enjoy a physical activity, it can increase the likelihood that you will continue to do it. It can also make the habit easier to keep up with and make you feel more positive about your health. It's likely to motivate you to walk more, rather than give up. It makes you feel happy. 7. Tone the legs. Walking can strengthen the muscles in your legs. To build up more strength, walk in a hilly area or on a treadmill with an incline. You can also perform resistance exercises like squats, lunges, and leg curls. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.